start the chemistry practicals. That is first preparation of inorganic compounds, in which our aim is to prepare a double salt of more salt. More salt, that is a double salt of iron sulfate and ammonium sulfate, and it is known as more salt. FeSO4, NH4 whole twice SO4, and there is 6 molecule of crystallization. Requirement for these practicals are beaker 250 ml, glass rod, funnel, china dish, tripod stand, and filter paper. Chemical requires ferrous sulfate, ammonium sulfate, and dilute SO4. The crystal formed after this experiment have color of light green, and the shape or geometry of that crystal will be monoclinic, and the weight or yield after performing the practicals you have to measure, that is in gram. Precautions that you have to face, you have to handle this experiment carefully, and the precautions, first one is add dilute SO4 to prevent the hydrolysis of iron sulfate. If you don't add dilute SO4, then there will be no formation of crystallization. Second precautions, avoid concentrating the solution beyond crystallization point. Third, cooling should be done slowly to get good quality of crystals. Okay, dear students, let's perform the practicals of crystallization of more salt, and the given sample or salt is, this one is the ammonium sulfate, colorless salt, and this is the iron sulfate having light green color. Take about 10 gram of iron sulfate and 5 gram of ammonium sulfate in a clean beaker. And add to it about 3 or 4 ml of dilute sulfuric acid to prevent the hydrolysis of iron sulfate. This is dilute sulfuric acid. This is one of the important points to perform the crystallization experiment. This is 250 ml beaker and glass rod. Add about 20 ml of water. And warm or heat up the solution to get a clear homogeneous solution. Stir it constantly to get a homogeneous solution. Actually, one of the important application of this crystallization experiment is to purify the sample, to purify the impure sample. And this is the crude sample. In crude sample there are two types of impurities. One is soluble impurities and second one is insoluble impurities. Insoluble impurities can be filtered out with the help of filter paper, such like that. This filtration process is a slow process and it takes some time to filter the solution. By the help of this filter paper, insoluble impurities can be filtered out. And this is the filtrate. Collect the filtrate in china dish and heat the solution on a sand bath till the saturation point. is reached. Heat the solution on a sandbar till the saturation point is reached. This can be checked by dipping the glass rod in a solution and blowing air on it. When you blowing air on it, there will be some particles of the crystals which look like that of dust particles, and these particles of crystals indicate that there is a crystallization point. This indicates that there is a crystallization point as some dust particles appears on it. Now stop the heating the filtrate or the solution and put it on a beaker that is full of water so that it cool down slowly. And also cover the china dish with a filter paper or a suitable paper, and this slowly cooling the concentrated solution give rise to the crystallization process in which crystals are formed. Actually, crystals are the solid which have definite geometry, which have definite shape, and after 3 or 4 hours you will get the crystals of more salt along with some solution part, and that solution part contains some soluble impurities. 3 or 4 hour process of cooling, you will see there is formation of crystal along with some solution. This solution is called as mother liquor. This solution is known as mother liquor, which contain soluble impurities which can be filtered out or pour out and obtain the crystals and the wet crystals and dry up with the help of filter paper by pressing between two filter paper. The crystal thus obtained is actually light green in color, having monoclinic shape, and now you can weigh the crystals and that give a particular yield of that crystals.